My name is Fatih.
My name is Pramudia.
And we will present you about happibot. So, next.
Operator. Operator kasih tahu. Next.
So, we are an IoT team that make projects called happibot. So, happibot is basically artificial intelligence that we designed to detect human emotions. So, we're aiming to be one of pioneers that make this technology. And we have 3 important missions that reduce student stress, AI, focusing in AI development, and investigate the student stress. So we have 5 important features that can detect emotions or the emotion recognition, face identification, speech recognition, autonomous navigation, and conversation with students. So API is basically artificial intelligence that we put it in the happybots, this product, and we name it happybot because the name robot is happybot and the AI is happy AI, so it's simplest. And so happybot is designed to detect human expression with the parameters human emotions. So if you like angry like this or angry like this, they can detect your emotion.
So a little bit of the deeper in the happybot. So let's talk about the autonomous. So the autonomous is a vital feature for our robot that's basically to detect the whole halls or maybe the public areas so that it will do it on its own without being controlled. Next. Okay, the autonomous has 3 features. The first one is the real sense, where it talks about the cameras, where it detects every camera on the field. And then there's the LiDAR and the odometry. Next. So facial recognition. Facial recognition has 2 things. One is the emotion recognition and the other one is the identification. So we use 3 libraries. The first one is the OpenCV for the opticals, and then we use the NumPy for the database, and the third one is DLib, which is basically Python for facial recognition. So the facial recognition has 2 main vital features. So the first one, we're getting a get max area function, which is to get the center coordinates. And then we're also using this feature to create a current focus so that when it's closer to the robot while you're being interacted with the robot, it's going to focus on the main person. Next.
Happy AI is trained on a dataset of 20,000 student images, which is used to train the AI in facial recognition and expression identification. Next. Speech recognition. The AI uses NVIDIA Reverse Speech Recognition, which is a software development kit that is used for identifying speech and transcribing human speech into text. Next. Happy AI also has conversational AI, where happybot may ask the user about their feelings, and the user may reply about their feelings, which then the AI can transcribe the audio and conclude their emotion. Next.
Okay, let's talk about the flow chart. For the first one, before we go into the robot. So the user will interact with the robot itself, like maybe face to face and trying to talk with them. So we have 2 inputs. First one is the camera, second is the microphone. So it will talk back through a text-to-speech model through a speaker. So from the camera itself, while it's talking to the robot, the camera will detect their their identification and their emotions. So from there, it's being processed through 3 libraries and then being thrown into a detecting emotion kind of process. And then from there, the microphone will detect their tone and their voices, so it's recognize who they are and maybe what kind of tone they're saying. Maybe they have a really deep voice where like, oh, maybe they're sad, they're happy. It's trying to detect through that. And then it's been thrown both into a database where we could try to evaluate maybe through the robot's conclusion. And then from there, maybe when it's done, it says thank you, goodbye, something like that. Okay, next.
This is the final design of the robot, which as you can see here, and this is the 3D render. So first of all is the body, which can be clearly seen here, and inside the body there is a skeleton which is used to fit in speakers, microphones, and also camera. And for the camera system, there is a servo which is moving the camera, so that the camera can readjust its height according to students with different heights, so that short and tall people can be detected by their face. Thank you for your attention. Are there any questions?